Alright, I got the speakers in the door. Got the door back on. Got my trim panel back on with my tweeters in there. And it sounds good. I only got 2 speakers. I had one in each side, but I decided since I was going to install the door pod that I'll have to order 2 more. So they'll be here tomorrow, and then I'll get them installed. And yeah, I'll be rocking. It sounds real good. Still, tweaking the settings and stuff like that, but you gotta listen to this. It sounds real good. Right now, I have it on 11. It's jamming. A little slower. That's only the front speaker. Let me put the back speaker on. Number 13. And normally I would listen to it on like 17 to 20. Man, you don't even have to turn it that loud. So all in all, I'm happy with the Ds18. Somebody said return them to get PRV. I've never heard PRVs except for online, so I can't really tell you the difference between the two. But like I said, 2 in each door in the front, and 1 in each door in the back. Tweeters in the front up in the factory locations. Sounds good enough for me. Working on the front stage, then I'll get the subwoofer. just giving it some, you know, different types of music. From what's that, Jamie Foxx.
Blame it on the blues, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the charge, got you feeling sound. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the. She says she usually don't, but I know that she front. Cause shorty know what she want, what she don't want. Seem like she easy. I hear you saying what you won't do, but you know we probably gon' do what you've been feeling deep inside. What you drinking? Let it sink in. Here for weekend, thinking we can see what we can be if we press fast forward. Just one more round and you're down out the door. If you feel another cup up, feeling on your butt, what you don't even care now. I was unaware how fine you was before my bus said my bus said blame it on the blues, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the charm, got you feeling soft. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the Henny, blame it on the blue tap, got you feeling dizzy. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the oh, see, she spilled some drink on me, and now I'm knowing she tipsy. She put her body on me and she keeps every me right in my eyes. No telling what I'm gon' do. Baby, I would rather show you what you've been missing in your life. When I get inside, what you drinking? Gon' let it sink in. Here for the weekend, thinking we can see what we can be if we press fast forward. Just one more round if you're down on the floor. And you feel another cup up, feeling on your butt, what you don't even care now. I was on a. It's a major move right here, baby. You gotta get with it and get lost. You understand?